that's the brave step. You can never reconcile with someone from whom you stole something if the starting point is not returning what you stole.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's the weakness of our system. And we've all been swallowed into this nice, polite, liberal talk of reconciliation, in which black people bend over backwards, breaking their backs to accommodate people who don't feel sorry. And young people, for me now, we've got to decide now. And when I say I'll be calling, and I'm not alone with others, for a Black People's Convention, call for a second republic. I'm not the first one to call for this, by the way. There's a very good book by Dr. Eddie Maluka on this, and I take inspiration from it. He's a great intellectual.
Yeah.
But you have to start afresh.
Yeah.
And Sizwe, the reason I never talk about political parties, and I have great friends in